we'll actually, we'll get in. Well, that's where you do your listening, your asking questions, and your verification with the customer. You want to gather as much information as you can. If they're coming in for something broke, the more information that you can gather, the better. Now, isn't that right, Nick? You can share with us your technician for 8 years, and which bravo, by the way. He's an A tech too, by the way. From what I understand, is a very strong master tech, from my understanding. So, getting as much information as we can from the customer and repeating it back, which is, when you verify, you kind of repeat it back. That lets the customer comfortable that you understand what's clearly happening with their car. When you actually kind of repeat it back and you ask a lot of questions, because it saves you time later. Because I guarantee you, Nick will probably tell you, being a long-term technician, that there's been a lot of times he's got ticket brought back to him and he has a question right away that the service advisor probably should have asked. Right? Okay. So, and we've all experienced that too as service advisors, where we take a ticket out and the technician goes, well, how long has this been going on? Oh man, anything else you want me to find out? And then we have to call that customer back, and that takes up some of our valuable time. And so, by doing it on the front side and everybody developing really good habits, it's going to save you time later. So one habit, you want to do is a lot of listening, asking good questions, and verifying of the customer.